Here's how you use the BESSY 90-degree corner clamp. Here's the clamp. It has screws on both ends to accommodate different widths of wood. So this is a 1x3 and this is a 1x2. What you want to do is, depending on the size wood that you'll have, you'll want to make sure that your screws are screwed in as closely as possible before adjusting the wood. I'm going to clamp these two 1x2s. I want to make sure that they have a perfect square on the angles. So you basically just set them in between these two areas, and these are your clamps. Bring them together so they match up evenly, and then once they're matched up, go ahead and screw one side using the screw over here. This clamp will tighten, and then you'll do the same on the other side, screwing in here so that this clamp tightens. Once both of your clamps are nice and tight, you'll have a perfect 90-degree angle.